5 Easy Remedies for Tinnitus Relief, brought to you by HearingTinnitus.com. Curing tinnitus is difficult. It's important to note that, aside from identifiable and treatable medical conditions that can cause tinnitus, such as ear infection, growth in the ear, thyroid malfunction, unchecked diabetes, high blood pressure, and artery disease, curing tinnitus is quite difficult. Many alternative treatments are available. Many alternative non-medical remedies for tinnitus have been developed to help those afflicted reduce the levels of noise and, possibly more important, learn to live with a certain level of tinnitus that will let the sufferer have restful sleep and be able to participate in the activities that makes healthy living fun. 5 alternative treatments for tinnitus. Don't assume that these 5 suggested remedies for tinnitus are the most effective or the most popular alternative treatments available. There are literally thousands of potentially effective non-medical treatments for the whistling, whooshing, and roaring noises associated with tinnitus. Number 1. Avoid exposure to loud noises. Studies have shown, and I can personally verify this with my own version of tinnitus, that even after the ear damage that can cause tinnitus occurs, avoiding additional loud noises can frequently help reduce the level of tinnitus noises. You may think, what the heck, I've already got tinnitus from listening to loud music, might as well continue to do so. But that could cause a worsening of the condition. 2. Keep white noise in the background. Have a source of white noise in the background. We're all familiar with the noise-canceling headphones, but how do they work, and how can they help my tinnitus? Noise-canceling technology essentially combats irritating noises with a machine-generated noise identical to that of the problem noise, thus canceling both noises. Since much of the tinnitus consists of sounds related to white noise, many sufferers have reported relief with white noise generators. Number 3. Use earplugs when swimming. Sometimes water and the chlorine from a public swimming pool can irritate the ear, causing or intensifying tinnitus. Again, I know this to be true from personal experience. While I do not wear earplugs, I do realize that my tinnitus will get worse after swimming. Number 4. Take your allergy medicine. Allergies, sometimes called hay fever, can produce excessive mucus and swelling that can interfere with the proper operation of the ears. Sometimes drainage is reduced and pressure builds up inside the ear. This can definitely result in increased levels of tinnitus noise. Finally, number 5. Avoid excessive intake of caffeine. There's nothing I like more on a cold winter's morning than a hot cup of coffee, but I know that the caffeine from that delicious cup of Java could make my tinnitus worse. The mechanism behind this includes the excessive stimulation of the sound receptor follicles in the ear, resulting in a hyperstimulation of the hearing system, adding to the tinnitus noises. While I've never noticed an increase in tinnitus noise after drinking coffee, the experts claim that it is a possibility. I surely can't argue that theory, although I've never given up coffee long enough to qualify as an experiment. Try a remedy. Try them all. You can try one of these remedies for yourself and note the results. Hopefully, one of these treatments may help your tinnitus or at least put you on the path for some resolve from the noises associated with tinnitus. Free report. Why wait for relief from your tinnitus when relief may be just one click away? Get your free copy of my latest report, Get the Facts About Tinnitus. It's a limited time offer, so hurry in. Brought to you by HearingTinnitus.com, and thank you for listening.